Oh my god. Does that feel freaky?
Really?
Yeah.
Cole, stop carving it in while he's trying to get out there.
Oh, wait, you know what?
What?
I was
Board
right.
it up over there.
I told you it wasn't nowhere.
I don't know, is it boarded? You're
Is it
the
off?
one.
We should keep it open or not.
Shit. Oh my god, Joey's gonna die, Joey's gonna die, Joey's gonna die. Joey! Hi! Oh fuck!
That was needless racism, actually.
Huh?
Yeah, that's...
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Joey. The whole... Dude, oh my god, every time you make like a little scratching noise, it makes, like, fucking freaks me out, because it makes it... Is it locked? Can you come down now?
Check.
No.
Check to see if it opens. Oh my god.
What? Is it open? Go.
No, it doesn't.
Joey, fucking just come down already.
It doesn't open.
Okay, good, just hurry the fuck up. Calm down.
Alright.
Oh
This
my
sucks so much. I didn't think I was afraid of heights, but apparently I am.
Why are you always scared?
Like,
I didn't think I was afraid of heights, but apparently I am. Oh my god, I'm freaking out.
I'm not scared of heights, I'm scared of ladders because they're like calling and
Oh fuck, you're taking such a long... God, oh my god, I'm freaking out. Okay, that made me feel better.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright, I feel like there we go.
Oh god, you're alive. Okay.
Well, that was a good.
Fuck.
It's so freaky.
Are we going down?
Yeah. Now that we've carved our names into the ladder. Wait, girl, did you finish your...
I pushed
Look at Cole, man. Look at Cole. The C is like huge. Cole, not there.
I pushed on the bit up there, and I think it gave a little bit, but it was like really creaky.
What? What are you talking about, Cole?
Oh, I was creeping over like,
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Here, okay. Oh, fuck, okay. This sucks because I'm, like, my legs are going to be black because I'm, like, very short. Fuck you guys. Like, look at your hands, and my legs are going to be like that. Because that's cool.
Wow, great.
Hey, look at the camera lens. 62 millimeter.
Hey, fucking do it, dude. Great. Oh, fuck you. I want something. Find me something.
Find you something?
Yeah, find me and Cole something.
Find you guys something to keep.
Okay. I want the cameraman.
I like the camera lens.
I'm the aspiring photographer. Fuck you.
I'm an aspiring photographer too.
Come on, come around if there's anything cool to keep.
I don't know if I'm paper.
Cole found floodlight instructions. Look at him go.
I don't think there's help up here.
I want
I'll take this as my souvenir.
Nice. I want a cameraman.
This paper's all dusty and horrible.
What's that? Is that another cameraman? Get your fucking foot up.
Is it?
No.
I didn't think it was. I thought it earlier too. I don't get out of the attic. That's kind of cool. I've never been in an attic before. Like, ever.
Alright.
Is there anything else?
I'll give you the camera lens. I'll read it.
I'm done, my bro.
Oh shit, you're right. You should move then.
Okay, sit here.
Just saying. Okay, Cole, you go first.
There. Oh. Well, I can't open the trap door yet.
Nice, you're a fucking
It's not a
idiot.
paint can, there's a paint can.
Anyway,
What was that?
just go.
Some piece of metal.
Just go. Quick.
Splinter.
You have a splinter?
Oh, I don't know.
That can be your souvenir. Is that a button? No. Okay. Wait, what's something cool?
What's the sound? I keep hearing stuff, I'm like, oh, the car is going.
You're an idiot.
Whoa.
Okay, come down. We have to hurry.
Well, I'm going to get down. Don't think. Okay.
What's that?
Yeah, but my laser tool, I can't put my feet on this.
Okay, put the lights here, and then we're going to go down with the people in the ladder, because the lights here everywhere. Did you
See, this is what's called. We can't do it that way.
Is
No.